Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. The channel that's the most sensitive channel on YouTube.
Oh my God.
I am sensitive Benji number one. This is sensitive Benji number two. Welcome, welcome. If you know, you know. Yeah. And
Yes.
moving on to more important things in life, which is good
Like music. Yeah.
We've been requested this one for a long time, and I think after the Ana Nahi reaction, a lot of people asked for this in the comments as well. So
Okay.
actually, I kind of forgotten it was in the request list, and then when I saw those comments, I'm like, oh yeah, this is another song. We should definitely explore it. It says here, its song is a traditional blend between the Qawwali and hip hop culture. It's a collab among the finest artists, both from India and Pakistan. Interesting.
Qawwali and hip hop. That's very interesting. Nice. Chalo.
So it's artist Inkheart and Hashim Nawaz. Lyrics are Hashim Nawaz. Music is Inkheart, and song is called Sajda. Chalo, dekhte hain.
Sure.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, play.
Put some salsa.
कहाँ से आया मैं कहाँ को जाना, ऐसी बातों पर जिक्र करूं या लिखूं गाना। मैं हूँगा तेरे से पर तू मेरे से हो जुदाना। मेरा यहाँ पे रब्बा कोई भी तेरे से बना। तेरा करम हुआ दोबारा हुई आमद, तुझे बनाता मंजिल जो उसको तू मिलता राह पर। चुन ले मुझे भी तू सजदे करने वालों में, अगर किसी दिन भी था मैं सजदे करने वालों में। ये बातें महज बातें रह जानी है, भरे हुए बर्तन यहाँ रह जाने खाली हैं। पर्दा करते नहीं कैसे डाले ज़बानी, ये सपना मेरा यही जीतू खुद से ये बाजी में बाजीगर। मत खोल अपनी माजी की किताबों को, जो था वो रहा नहीं, जो है किसी को नहीं पता। है सबको पता कि इस जहान में कुछ ना रखा, पर जान के अनजान है शायद सिर्फ यही ना पता। रूह मिट्टी से या मिट्टी रूह से है तंग, मेरे गुनाहों ने इनके दरमियान डाली जंग। है मेरे संग काफी लोग पर वो करेंगे क्या, जो गिरूंगा अगर मेरे लिए होंगे खड़े क्या। नाम बना लिया पर बना सका नमाजी में, लोग पहचान लेता खुद का पता नहीं है। ओपरा मिजाज मेरा छोकरा मैं आम, अग तो बचाना रब्बा झोंपड़ा मकान मेरा। मैं तो नाम का बस जान लेवा, जग ने क्या है बना डाला। मुझे सुनते वो मानते ना, कहानी सुनाते मेरी वो जो मुझे जानते ना। कहने दो मुझे सहने दो, यही इलाज मेरा जख्मों को रहने दो। मेरे बाद मेरी बातों को ये करेंगे याद, मेरे आज में जो चाहे इन्हें कहने दो। इन्हें कहने दो मुझे सहने दो, यही इलाज मेरा जख्मों को रहने दो। ये नहीं जानते मुझे यही करेंगे पार, जो करे पाक उन्हीं जख्मों को रहने दो। ये समझते बनना चाहता स्टार में, पर मैं बनना चाहता अपने बाप जैसा। अमल से मेरे सारे जाने मुझे, बाकी सारा आर्जी है। शोहरत गाड़ी नाम पैसा हाल कैसा पूछते, मैं ठीक हूँ पर हाल में ना। लोग देखे बहुत तभी आता सामने ना, बिना मकसद नहीं काम मेरा। मेरे से मिला जो कुछ बांट लेना, समंदर पार से हैं आते पैगाम। जहाँ पे सोचा भी ना था वहाँ पे बनाया नाम। यहाँ पे काफियों को लगे मेरी कला हराम, पर मुझे गैर मुस्लिम भी अब करते सलाम। इनको ना पता मैंने जो लिखा तो वो इनकी खता, इन्होंने सुना तो वो मेरी फतह। मेरी वजह से कितनों ने रैप सुनना शुरू किया, बोलेंगे ये नहीं पर इस बात के ये खुद है गवाह। मेरे पास कुछ भी करने को ना साबित, कितना काबिल हूँ मैं पता। जिसको पता होता शामिल इनकी महफिलों में ज्यादा ना मैं, और जब होता हूँ तो चुप रहता तभी इनको भाता ना मैं। ये बच्चे सारे मेरे जैसा बनना चाहते, जो मैं करता हूँ वो ये सारे भी करना चाहते। पर जो मैं करता उस पे ऊपर वाला पर्दा डाले, शायद कलाकार लगते हैं खुदा को प्यारे। सामान जमा कर लिया जो लेके जाना नहीं, इज्जत देता रब है बंदा कमाता नहीं। मिटाता ऐब अपने खुद को मिटाता नहीं, हाशिम अभी ना समझ है बातें पर बनाता कहीं। नाम बना लिया पर बना सका नमाजी में, लोग पहचान लेता खुद का पता नहीं है। ओपरा मिजाज मेरा छोकरा मैं आम, अग तो बचाना रब्बा झोंपड़ा मकान मेरा। मैं तो नाम का बस जान लेवा, जग ने क्या है बना डाला। मुझे सुनते वो मानते ना, कहानी सुनाते मेरी वो जो मुझे जानते ना। कहने दो मुझे सहने दो, यही इलाज मेरा जख्मों को रहने दो। मेरे बाद मेरी बातों को ये करेंगे याद, मेरे आज में जो चाहे इन्हें कहने दो। इन्हें कहने दो मुझे सहने दो, यही इलाज मेरा जख्मों को रहने दो। ये नहीं जानते मुझे यही करेंगे पार, जो करे पाक उन्हीं जख्मों को रहने दो।
I like that. I like that. Put some sauce on it. Ah.
This had so many elements, right? Like okay, first of all, I really appreciate those kind of arrangements which try different things
Yeah.
and then they try and create those surprise elements. Like, you know, I don't know whether to call them surprise elements or shock value things, or like, you know, when you keep putting in new things, which kind of the moment you get to it, you're like, oh wow, what was that? So that happened with me in this song, I think, which 4 or 5 times.
Yeah.
And at one point, so many elements were meeting that I was like, एक minute, ये खिचड़ी हो रही है या सही हो रहा है? And then like after 1 second itself, I was loving the sound. So you know, जब भी कुछ नया सुनते हैं, that happens. कि आप एक बार सुनते हो and then you're like, wait, what is happening? And then you're like, hey, I like it. So पहले तो सांसों की माला में only I was like, wait, what? So like, right? So that
Absolutely.
started.
It brought me back to our
And
reaction
tabla.
to the Rahat Sapkar rendition of Sanson Ki Mala, na? We reacted to that,
Yeah.
remember? So
Oh,
took me
man.
back there.
It
But
was
yes,
amazing.
go
It
on,
was
go on.
amazing. Yeah, and then the tabla came in. Like when that settled in, then the song started, and then tabla came in. That like broke the song ka flow in such a beautiful way, and then it carried on. Like it was very interesting to listen to for my ears, literally. Like it was very nice. And then wahan se the way the flow changed and the way they created that segue between two different zones of sound, that was just phenomenal. Like I really liked it. It was a very sharp jump. But after that jump, the way it flowed, it was very nice. Like I was with it completely. And they did that whole thing going back and forth twice, which was stunning. I absolutely like. So I was all for it. And ऊपर से जो lyrics थे, they were also very like meaningful and very real and very like, you know, very emo yet hard. Like, you know, this was very like in a nice way that combo had been created. So I kind of, So overall, the song, it had the fusion elements going. It had the correct kind of, you know, the voices and the lyrics going and the music going. So I would say overall, I really liked the song.
I really liked it. I really liked it as well. So what I would say right at the start is props to Inkheart for the beat and the mixing and the fusion and the whole like the music production element. Because when you experiment and with such different genres and fuse them together, it can really go haywire. And not just through the song, but in portions of it.
Correct.
So to be completely honest, like you said, when the tabla came in, and for me it was the bass as well that kept me in there. And the only part where I felt a little like I had to strain myself to understand is when the Qawwali vocals were overlapped by his vocals. Like,
correct.
You know, like, because in radio, when we're producing stuff, we never have a bed with vocals when we're speaking over it, because it distracts the listener. So that was the only bit. But like after about 5 to 10 seconds, it didn't distract me anymore, because I started paying more attention to his voice rather than the background vocals that were going on. So that was my only small thing. But otherwise, I was very engrossed in what he was saying, and I was like, this guy's like, you know, the poetry is really something, because we've only heard, I think, Rabta, I think it was in Khana Badosh, on which he was there, and then we heard Aana Nahi. Right. But this is like his first solo that you and I are listening to. So and it really shows me who he is as an artist. And I've seen in the comment section, people are like, you know, he's one of the best, and he's
what a solo that too. What a song to like.
No, but that I can see why this was the most requested one of his. So what I did understand from it, one, he's calling out a lot of people who say things about him, because he's kind of tired of hearing those things. So he's just putting the facts out there and saying, "Ki, you all say this, but you don't know me, and this is, you know, you have a problem if I'm there, if I'm quiet, you have a problem even with that, like, you know, all those things." So he's calling it out. What I like is he's calling everyone out very politely. You know, he's not angry about it. He's just stating it very easily, in a very easy manner. And what I didn't get is, I don't know if he's saying that he's an atheist or he's not, and I don't want to get into that, but I don't know anything about him. So those were the lines that kind of confused me a little bit. Maybe.
Me too. Yeah.
I mean, we can always find out later. If you guys know, let us know. Those were the bits that will require further digging into offline. But other than that, I felt like the level of poetic expression in this song, absolutely like top notch. It just really worked on all levels, musically, lyrically, fusion, experimentally, like all those things that they were trying to do. It has just worked
all boxes checked.
Hmm.
It's like एक गाना बनाते हैं उसमें fusion भी डालेंगे लेकिन थोड़ा experiment भी करेंगे थोड़ा traditional भी रखेंगे अरे सब कुछ कर देंगे and like to be able to do सब कुछ and to do it well. That's what the song is. Very
Yeah.
nicely done.
Yeah, and I've
Minus
seen-
those 5-10 seconds, like you said, na? So I think
हाँ.
maybe हमारी radio training बीच में आड़े आ जाती है. लेकिन yeah.
It's fine. It didn't take away anything from the song.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
I'm seeing this dropped end of November 2020, so it's not very old at all.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's really
yeah.
not very old. So I would love to know like how far back his repertoire goes. Like when did he start
Yeah.
and what were his early sort of days like, or is it now recently that he started in the last few years? Let us know. Let us know.
Yeah, because if this song is anything to go by, his solo
Mhm.
stuff, if this is the kind of, experimentation he's willing to do and he's showcasing, then listen, his stuff could be like really good. Like,
Yeah. So, I mean, you all know that young stunners are our favorites, but
Yes.
there's always scope for more favorites to be added to the list. So,
Always.
yes, let us know what other tracks of his we could get to and explore further. And if you know anything about what he's saying in the song that we may have missed the meaning of and not understood completely, let us know that as
Yeah.
well.
Absolutely.
So yeah, thanks again for the recommendations. Drop me a DM for more and check out Miss Bhola's channel. It's linked below.
Thank you.
And we sensitive Benjis will sign out now and we'll see you in the next one. Live long and prosper.
Bye.